Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to Lunar Beats Crypto. It is a Wednesday, March 20th, 2024. It is FOMC day. And that just means maybe we get some volatility. Maybe we won't. We'll wait and see. Number one thing that you got to do today is just make sure you wait until the dust settles before you get into any trades. Otherwise, you're just gambling. And unless you're a gambler, that's not good. It's not good. But anyway, what is going on, guys? Sorry I missed it yesterday. I don't know what I was doing. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I was sleeping. That's right. I was sleeping when I was supposed to be right here. But I almost did the same thing today. I just woke up literally 15 minutes ago. I got up and I was like, holy crap. I got to go make my coffee. Ran and made my coffee. And then came and sat down, put together a thumbnail, and was like, all right, there we go. Good morning, Blackie Chan, Justin Eubanks. How are you gentlemen doing today? Hope you got to catch, if you were interested in it, the Billy Goat Tales last night. It was very nice. I learned a little bit about gaming and crypto games and stuff like that. Gala Games is apparently more about the place where you go to build games and instead of to play games. He said they're kind of not even really making games anymore. It's more about other people coming to their network to make games. So I thought that was interesting. It seems like they're trying to do more with bringing more traffic to the network, which is, what you want. So seemed pretty cool. Jason seems like a pretty cool guy. But yeah, good stuff. Make sure you check out Billy Goat Tales Tuesday nights on X at Billy Goat Tales. But Tuesday nights on X at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's really late. I shouldn't have stayed up for the whole thing, but I did. Anyways, it's FOMC day, guys. Let's go ahead and start looking at some stuff. What are we looking at? So, Monday, I believe we were still at a 92. On our fear and greed. We've dropped dramatically to 74, of course. I started to feel a little bit of fear. And anytime I get that feeling of like, ugh, should I be doing this? Should I be buying right now? It doesn't feel good. And that's when I look at myself in the mirror and I say, you're buying your own blood right now, son. You're going to do it and you're going to like it. So that's what I did. And I do like it because I always buy fear. When there's blood in the streets, buy when there's blood in the streets, even when the blood is your own. Someone said that. I think it was one of the Rothschilds. Maybe even Warren Buffett. Who knows? Getting a late start to the work day. Don't have to work till 11. I wish I was awake for Billy Goat Tales. I'm old soul. And go to bed at 8. Oh my goodness. I'll listen to it later though. If I didn't have kids, I'd probably go to bed earlier. I know that sounds weird, but my kids keep me up. Because they don't go to bed until like 9:30. So that's their cutoff. Sometimes they go to bed early though, and I like those nights. But anyway, we're getting beside the point. Buy fear, sell greed. We're not in extreme greed, So we're still in good greed, good grief. I'm always clicking on something and it changes the freaking whatever. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 51.67%. Is that correct? Good morning, Wave Gang. Good morning. Hola, French Tosta. Good morning. Good morning. Good to see you. We are 31 days from the halving, guys. 31 days. 5 hours. What is going to drive price higher? Let's go to the big screen and take a look. Look, see here. I literally did no TA before I got on. Like I said, I woke up. Now it's been like 20 minutes. I woke up at 5:22. My show starts at 5:30. Yay. Anyway, this level right here, I don't even know what that is. Let's get rid of this. Clean up the chart. Clean up the chart. Start over. Let's do a zoom out a little bit. Let's go to the 4 hour. Beep, boop, beep, beep, boo. Before we go any further, please don't forget to join the Discord. It is free. Link in the description. Follow me on X at Lunar Beaches. And also, what's the other thing? Like and subscribe, something like that. Tony Soprano. Oh, what you doing, my friend? What you doing? What you doing? How you doing? I was going to do something. What was I going to do? Forex Factory. Anthony. All right, so Fed funds rate, 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That's usually not the mover. The mover is usually when J. Powell speaks at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. J. Powell speaks. He talks to the press and says, we go up or we go down. That's what he says. He literally says it. You should listen to the speeches. I mean, or to the interviews or whatever you call it, press conference. Listen to it. He always says, yeah, I think the market's gonna go up right now, and the market goes up right now like it's magic. It's kind of weird. I don't understand why everybody holds on to his every last word. Anyway, pretty sure the expectation will be met, which is continue to stay pause. To me, that is bullish. Continue to stay pause. Higher for longer. That's what I want to see. Higher for longer. So yeah. I'm not exactly sure what people are going to be looking for. Maybe they're going to be... Are we going to have to raise rates? Are we going to have to raise rates because inflation's so sticky? Maybe that's what he says. Maybe he says we might have to raise rates, and then the market like panics, and then we get a massive dump. And without a doubt, if that is what happens, you're gonna get a mega bounce. I could almost guarantee it. I can't guarantee it because I'm not a financial advisor, so I would be it's like illegal. They'll be like bad David, you very bad boy. Here's a fine of $250,000, and I'll be like, send it to my wife. I don't manage our finances. Today's FOMC is going to be a lot of waffle. Yeah, I could see that. I could definitely see that. I mean, most of the time it is a lot of waffle, but actually. The past couple of FOMCs, Powell's been a little, chipper, He's been like, yeah, we're kicking inflation's butt, putting it in its place. We're doing what we're supposed to be doing, kicking its butt. And, the past couple of readings have been kind of, it's coming back, dog. And J. Powell's probably like sweating, like, oh, man, And there's literally algorithms, and if you think there's not, God help you. But there's literally algorithms that will listen to what J Powell says. Okay, this is why the market moves as fast, and how the market moves as fast as it does. Not just human interaction, but also algorithms, bots listen to what he says, and if he says certain words, market goes nuts. I think we're gonna raise rates 2% by the end of the year, 2 points by the end of the year, which would be crazy. Bots hear that and they would just go sell everything. Buzzwords, sell everything. That's how they do it, man. That's how they do it. Anyway, taking a look at Bitcoin, where are we at? We're getting a nice bounce here. Nice bounce. Put in that bullish divergence here from this low to this low. We're on the 4 hour, of course. Now, we thought we had already put in our bullish divergence, but as we all know, in crypto, maybe even stocks, I don't know, but I'm in crypto every day, so in crypto, there's always one more dip. There's always one more dip. And there it is. I think that was the one. I think that was the one more. However, we do have FOMC, so things could be a little rocky. But we did get the bounce that I really wanted, which was coming into this wick and bouncing off of that wick. I really, really wanted to get that because we had kind of something similar over here with a long lower wick on this candle over here, and we bounced into it. Now, we did take out the halfway mark on that one, which I do prefer, which this one held up. It's going to be difficult to tell, but we are getting that bullish divergence in there. Let's see if we got another one right here for a proper bullish divergence. Maybe not so much on the 4 hour. Let's get rid of all this junk. Let's zoom out 6 hour. What is my internet going to be? Come on, chart prime load. See, I need to be up like an hour before I go live because it like allows my sinuses to kind of clear up a little bit. Ugh. So yeah, all the way up here, if price can hold, this is the 8 hour. I'm not going to find it until I get to like the 12 hour, aren't I? Which is even more bullish, by the way. Yeah. See, now we're getting those bounces on our oscillator trend. But the more important thing right now is getting this bottom here on our oscillator and getting a bounce off of that. That's what we want to see. So as we have price coming down, bouncing, we are creating these higher lows. And on our oscillator, we are creating these lower lows, which is a proper bullish divergence. Actually, it's a hidden bullish divergence. Is that right? I believe so. Need to hack the live feed of Powell and replace it with AI generated one with all the buzzwords and sit back and watch the market go haywire. Oh, I love the way you think, Tony. You know what? I'm gonna let you guys know, okay? This is what we're gonna do. If you hear me say, if you see me, this is why you gotta follow me on X. If you see me tweet or post, whatever you call it these days, the British are coming. Take everything out of the market, okay? If I say the British are coming, take everything out of the market. Okay? Because there's about to be a revolution, baby. On everybody's bank accounts. Because we got AI-generated J-Powell coming to town. and he is saying all the buzzwords. He's saying we're going up. No, we're going down. No, we're cutting rates. No, we're raising rates. Have you looked at fib retracement on the daily from beginning of the push up in January? I have. But let's go ahead and give it a look. British are coming from January. I think. Hold on. From here. Okay. Yeah, I think we're sitting on top of the 0.382. Let's see. Oh, we're almost there. So the 0.382, we're not quite there just yet. 60,337. 50% retracement of this move comes in at about $56.1 thousand. And then our golden pocket down here all the way at about 52K. Now, I don't believe we're going to go down there. We could easily slide down. It's all good. But something that I want to point out is, let's go over to our totals. Let's go to total one. So this is the entire crypto market. We're going to zoom out. What happened to my Fibonacci on this? I don't know. Bang, 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 bang. There we go. Like a fib. All right. So on this, it doesn't look too bad. The whole crypto market popped off. Got a little bit of rejection at the 786. It is a major retracement level. And we got a pullback down into the golden pocket. So that's okay. That looks good. We can go to total 2. Pulled back, hit the 618, pulled back to the 0.5, holding that. Okay, that's not too bad. I mean, this seems normal. We're just getting pullbacks. This is the one, total 3, which is the whole entire crypto market minus Bitcoin and Ethereum. Well, this one could take a little bit more of a dive. This one could lose a little, $100 billion or so. And what could cause that? What could cause that? A BTC pump. The BTC show coming back to town. That is what could cause that. Could cause that. But I'm not so sure about this one. Others pull back down to 0.5. Total DeFi pull back down to the 0.382. So the only one that's being difficult is the total 3. It's the only one. But everything else is pulled back to a level, a retracement level of some kind. So it seems like basically the entire market is like, all right, we've pulled back. Now what? Now we wait. Everything's been waiting for today. This whole correction has been leading up to today. We've got all this fear, it seems like, in the markets. I don't know, man. To me, it just seems like it's the perfect prime time to get a reversal. David Brumbelow in the chat. What is going on, my guy? Thank you for showing up. David Brumbelow, the Brumblebee. Brumbelow from the jungle. Brumble in the jungle. Brumbelow in the jungle low. My random chart says 55K-ish. Your random chart? What do you mean your random chart? This guy likes to say he finds levels randomly. He's right most of the time. He needs to trust himself more. Yeah, throw them bumblebees in the chat for the Brumblebee. Good morning, David Brumbelow. Good to see you. Bitcoin dominance is going parabolic. This does look like it's ready to get moving though. More upside for the Bitcoin dominance. I got to sneeze. God bless me. Anyway. And this is why I need to wake up earlier so I can get my sinuses out and cleared up. Oh, hold on. I just remembered something. CF just posted, look at the 1 and 2 week charts and check out the BTC money flow, and you'll see the money flow is just getting started on the 2 week money flow. Well, we do have the Schaefer market cipher, not market cipher B. Let's go ahead, and he says that the volume is better on the Heikennashi. Let's go to the 2 week. Yeah, it is just getting started. Just getting started for sure. Stochastics running high. Momentum is high. Everything's looking good for a go. And I think that sounds right to me. Let's go to the weekly. Money flow thick. VWAP on the... I saw his post about the VWAP. Let me brighten that up a little bit. Or thicken it up so we can see it. That VWAP thick. That VWAP thick, bruh. Compare it to the last 2 bull runs. Okay. Let's go to this Bitstamp. I mean, what can I say? I mean, I'm only over here showing the good people what I see. I see a pattern that I see in the Dow Jones, and I'm like, hey, that reminds me of something that I'm seeing right now. And that's these dead cat bounce drops, and then a push up to the upside. I mean, that's what I see. You know, I'm just saying. Let's go to the 2 week. So, money flow just started getting going here. VWAP just crossed up, kind of like we're just crossing up a little bit right here. I mean, it's not exactly the same, but you can see that VWAP was coming down as price was still coming up, and as it bottomed out, so did price down here, and then it came up and failed above the 0 line. Let's see, money flow started coming in, VWAP was above the 0 line, and that was basically the start of the move here. We can go back to this one over here. We've got the VWAP barely kicking up with the money flow barely kicking up. And this is on the 2 week, and that was basically the start of the run here. And if we want, what we want to see is anything we really want to see like this. Let me change the color on that so we can actually see it. Can't see it at all. Anyway, riding the 0 line. I like to ride the 0 line, and look at the chart. Prime is sitting there riding the upper boundary, right? All that this means is momentum is strong. We've got strong momentum on the upside. That's what we want to see. And when momentum falls off a cliff, hey, that's when stuff hits the fan. You know what I mean? So so basically what you're telling me is we're just getting started, which, hey, my prediction was 200K. So I think it's going to come quicker than I thought, but, like maybe before the end of the year, but we'll just have to wait and see on that. Building up for the pump up. Building up for the pump up. Ooh, bless you, bless you. Oh, thank you. I did sneeze. All right. So yeah, we've got the momentum pretty strong, and we're starting to ride that upper band on the Tar Prime Oscillator Pro. So I mean, yeah, I mean that's exactly what we want to see. What we want to see. We want to see that. We want to start riding the upper boundary, like really staying up close and tight up here. Same with the momentum oscillator on the not market cipher. Okay, everything's just kind of riding slowly to the upside. Now there is a difference here, and that is our stochastics are kind of riding that momentum to the upside with it, and we're not topping out here. Okay, we're not topping out here as this thing is moving to the upside. Stochastics are riding pretty high already as it is. So that is a little bit of a difference there, and our momentum is also riding pretty high as it is as well. So we've got to be careful. We've got to be careful. We can't just be looking at money flow and VWAP and all that stuff. So it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough, but I think we're gonna make it. I think we're gonna make it. We're gonna be okay. Either way, we're gonna be okay. Mark Dutch, morning. Lock your ribs, fool. Where's your ribs, Dutch? Where them ribs at, bruh? Maybe we come down to the 786 right here, $57,547. Maybe. Oh, what does it say? Mark is here. Now it's a party. Bruh, I was here, so it was already a party. Okay? Get it right. Myself, I see an Adam and Eve pattern for where we are currently, or potential inverted bat. Adam and Eve plus cup and handle. Adam and Eve. Adam and Steve. Isn't Adam and Eve are you... Hold on. I thought it was a bear's pattern. Adam and Steve. Let's see. I need to blow this up bigger. Bang, bang, chicken shrimp on a hot plate. Yo, Alex Crypto getting ready to put out his early morning setups. Make sure you guys go in the description and check out his channel. I mean, everybody in here is already subscribed to Alex Crypto, right? But if you are just watching this replay back and you are new, make sure you go and check out Alex Crypto. And I'm pretty sure he's going to have his setup ready for you guys. Or 2 or 3 or 4. I don't know. The guy's a madman on the trades, okay? All right. He's a madman on the trades. I am trying to see this Adam and Eve. It's Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve. Are we going to break out? Are we going to break out? Are we going to break out? Are we going? Tell me you have kids without telling me. Tell me you have kids without telling me. Tell me you have kids without telling me. Tell me you have kids. Oh no, your internet is down. That's no good, friend. You can still record. No, you can't because you've got a. Do you not have a hotspot? You got a hotspot, bro? Go to church to see Adam and Steve. It's that whole top. Only difference is we aren't dropping into it. Share me a chart, bro. Share me a chart so I can see it. Share me a chart. But I've gotta move on. Because I can't see it, and I'm behind. Ooh, sorry. Ooh, the Dixie's been getting a moving. Okay. Dixie's been getting moving. Coming up on key resistance. So it's fought this level before. 104.263. It's right there on yours, what you're looking at right now. It's too late. Brumbelow is an absolute legend. I just can't. I don't know. My brain maybe cannot see right now. I can't see the Adam and Eve pattern. I can't see it. Sorry. I just may not be awake yet. Oh, I just realized I'm past my time, but that's okay. We're taking a look at the Dixie real quick. Okay, so what we want to see, guys, we want to see a rollover on the Dixie today. This is a daily chart, so it's already moved quite a bit. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Don't really like seeing that. Let's put a ray on here. Beep, boop, beep, boop, 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 boop. Okay. Fall through there today. Please, for the love of God, fall through here. And that's all I want to see is a fall through here. Pump my bags. That's all I want. Just pump my bags. I don't know, man. I gotta get this not market cipher off of here. It's messing with me. So this is not a bullish or bearish divergence here. Trying to see if there might be one. Let's go to a higher time frame. Okay, yeah. So we are putting in. Yeah, I get it. We are putting in lower highs on our oscillator and higher highs on our price, which is a bearish divergence. So I would like to see that come down. Let's go to the Dixie on Capcom because we do get some volume there. And so that does help us see better. Anyway, let's go ahead and pull from right to left. Let's pull this whole range. Okay. So value area high is at 104.095. Now we can see that this one hasn't even broken on Capcom, hasn't even broken 104 yet. So, it's a little behind, it seems like, or it's not the same anyway, because it is it's an exchange. So, they just trade the index. Let's pull this a little further. Okay, so it is at a critical area here, at least on Capcom, Capital Com. Or everybody, it's definitely Baby Shark. Yeah, or everybody was kung fu fighting. Yeah. Are you humming Baby Shark? Hey, look, man. Hold on. My son absolutely loves Toy Story. Okay, he loves Toy Buzz, play Buzz. We got him a Buzz Lightyear with the chopping, whatever you call it, chop action. For his birthday, he'll get that in a few days. Wow, he's gonna be 2 soon. But Mom took him to the store yesterday, and there was a Woody there, and he wanted a Buzz. They didn't have a Buzz, but he chose this over Woody. I'm not gonna do it. Judo chop. Whoopah. So, yay. Send help. It's really not that bad. I messed up the focus. Okay. So hopefully we get a rollover on the Dixie. Cluck, mother truckers. What is up, Crypto Pollo? Crypto Pollo. Or as us white Southern boys say, Crypto Polo. What you doing? What you doing over there, Mr. Crypto Polo? Woody always gets left out. Yeah, right. You got a friend in me. Well, you know, maybe if Woody wasn't such a butthead to Buzz in the first Toy Story, maybe it wouldn't have turned out that way for him. But since he was such a butt, that's just how it goes. Now it's stuck in my head. Good. Get used to it. You haven't been married long enough. Who? Me? I don't know what that means. I mean, I have only been married for 2.5 years, but we can take a look at the USD CAD, see what it's doing. We want this to die. Sorry, Alex. We want this to die. Actually, that would be good for Alex, right? Yeah, because that would be the USD dying against the Canadian dollar. But if this pumps up, then the Canadian dollar becomes more expensive, which means the exchange rate becomes even worse. And I feel for my brothers in Canada, man. They're getting... It's kind of crazy what's going on. You are now going to can serve life in prison for hurting someone's feelings or something. Like, it's not... I don't think the legislation is passed, but it's still just crazy that they're even thinking about stuff like that. Like... Words of violence. Shut up. God. Just go away. Aussie, would you pick up, please? I need you to pick up, please. British pound, please pick up. Pick up the phone. Get moving to the upside. Why? Because these are against the dollar. And I need these to go against the dollar. I need to rise against the dollar, because what does that do? That brings the dollar down. What does that do? That brings asset prices up. That's what I want to see. So please get on it. We are getting slammed. Just inflation. Oh, yeah. Just inflation. Oh, boy. Anyway, I got to get out of here. Thank you guys for joining me. I don't know if you learned anything, but it doesn't matter, because I just come here to hang out with you guys. I just come here to hang out, share my thoughts. You know, I'm no one special. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just your friend. Okay, I'm just your friend. We are all friends. We are all riding the good old waves of the crypto market. And yeah. But I gotta get going. Got to come to America, brother. Yeah, because it's so much better here. Yeah, it kind of is. Especially if you're in the South. We're having a great time in the South. I'll tell you what. When no state income tax, you know. So that's nice, especially here in Tennessee. No state income tax. No property tax? No, we got... I forget. But anyway. Yeah, I gotta go. Thank you guys for joining me. Leave some waves in the chat, please. Smash up the like button, and subscribe to the channel if you are watching this and you are new. Hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I create new content, when I go live. I hope you guys have a radical day. Don't forget to be amazing and give someone a compliment today. Okay, give someone a compliment today. Say, hey, I like the way you walk, or something. I don't know. I like your smile. You got a pretty mouth. Something like that. just be nice, be kind, and rewind. Love you guys. Have a radical day. Ride the waves. Peace out.